So the buys I made on gold is this, of which I'm going to close maybe in 1 hour time from now.
8 hours later.
For no reason, I did not take my profits yesterday night. Yeah, and boom.
12 sleepless hours later.
You can imagine over 500 euros profit.
Yeah, boy.
But the highest way of handling risk is the risk management. The risk management, and it has to do with the lot size. So, profit maximization strategy, this is how it works. Just imagine how many entries I had to make. Then, because I was not certain of what the market tends to do until now, I was afraid and could not make much entries because the market had potentiality of breaking down the lowest low of yesterday, which I said, or if it could not break it, then possibility of trending up will be there. Just as you imagine, I said the market went up, came back, but it could not give me that spike that warrant me buying. So I had to wait, even though I am in losses. But then the market went down. I was almost I was almost I was almost about 400 euros minus, but because I was using proper risk management, I could not bother or did not bother myself. Now, as you can see, everything is in profit. So when the market went down, I made a lot of entries because I know it is time. So right now, I have to be securing the profit while I come back to analyze the market.
Got this.
So I, I want to secure those at the topmost. Then I can decide to leave some of them. So that is how to maximize profit. You start from the smallest to secure the profits. Just should any reason the market still choose to continue to go to move higher than you bargained, then you continue to make more profit. So I will analyze this immediately I finish securing the profits, guys. What a boom. So almost done. Over 600 euros profit. By the time I secure these ones, you can see that it's over 600 euros profits.
Nice.
So mistakenly entered automatically by the system. So I have learned to turn it off. Just like I said in the last video, that when you press this place, this key, it appears. That is the new update by MT5. So unfortunately, I placed my hand on it and it made this to entries, the same thing it did yesterday. So you can see all the profits. Remember, this account I've been using 0.03 loss size, and now I've grown the account to 5,000 euros and above, which is almost 2 times the size. Right now, let's go and briefly analyze the market once again for your understanding of what happened here. So, I told you people that gold euro confirmed properly the possible retracement of gold in the market. Just like I told you that the three of them, gold Australia dollars, gold euro, and gold USD, used to act line in line. Sometimes two will get ready and the other one, as you can see, this one is coming down and these two is going up. Sometimes the three will pull up together. It's how it works. So, but because gold euro was the one that actually got properly ready, based on the settings which I had earlier analyzed, this is the 100 oversold area. So the MACD signal line tested it properly. The signal lines are dicks. Tested this area properly. And because it tested, it's normally pull up, and of course I said it will test it alongside the marker. Do not forget. So it pulled up, as you can see in this place. It pulled up. So the expectation was that it's going to come down to form the QW format, or in inverse way you call it a QM format. So to retest it back today, forming this W format, as you can see here. So, but yesterday I placed this divergence, which is also a sign to show that it is properly ready. Then in gold did not, when you look at this place, gold did not test, the MACD signal line did not test the 100 oversold area, but the marker tested the 100 oversold area. What does it indicate? It indicates that the two of them will certainly move together. So in line with this area, which I said, the demand area, when you check the first analysis which I posted on Monday, yeah, that once this recent demand and supply area is tested, this place is going to retrace. Then it gave me the assurance that gold is going to pull up. But what I don't know is how it is going to react down here, because certainly it used to have spike. So the spike, I have not seen it, and that was why I said it will, since it have gone up. Let's go to 1 hour time frame to show it properly. That since it gone up yesterday, then pull back today, forming double bottom. But because there is no force to push it, I was still not convinced, even though I had my entries, some of my entries on. Then immediately I saw this spike. Then I know it's all over. Then I started making more entries. That is maximizing the profit, and then boom, it came back to the same place. What does it do here? It went and took off all the stop losses. That's what it does. So, and then return back. Now, as you can see, the divergence which we marked yesterday is still there. So, indicating that actually it was ready to move, but how the reaction is going to be was what is not certain. So imagine those who sold and was holding it thinking it's going to go far. It pulled back and of course took off the stop loss of those who bought and now put those who sold it in losses. That is the character of gold. So now you are going to see here these 20 moving averages are going to cross, and certainly the price is still going up, and we still first of all touch this 34 moving average, which is the black one. Once it touches it, then it is going to range. If the market is we still retrace up to 1924 like I said, then you know it will range around here and then pull up. So that was what gave me the confidence to stay in the market until what I expected happens. So you can see I made entry even to the last bottom of the market price, and it pulled up to give me this massive profit, as you can see. So it's over 600 euros. By the time I will close this, you can imagine the price is going to come up with. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. I will continue to update the price gold analysis